For the best online experience, we strongly recommend that you use SCW Online through the Google Chrome browser. The browser icon looks like this. From our website www.socialcare.wales, click Log in to SCW Online. Alternatively, you can enter www.scwonline.wales into the address bar of your browser. From here, click the Sign In option at the top right-hand corner of the page. Enter your preferred email address and password in the relevant boxes and select Sign In. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Reset Your Password button. Entering the email address that we have on record for you will send an email with a link to reset your password. We don't recommend that you check the Remember Me box if you are using a public or shared computer, as this will give other users access to your personal information. Once logged in, you will arrive at the My Notifications screen. From here, you can view and update your personal information, apply to register and see any notification specifically for you. If you are already registered, you can also see any notifications to pay or to apply to renew your registration. Employers can see notifications to endorse forms or to confirm a person's removal from the register.